So we're running away Biplop. So what are you making today?
We're making prawn curry.
So Biplop, কি হচ্ছে? আমি জানি না।
We're gonna fry it for a few seconds.
Speed as fast as possible.
I feel like people knows how to make rice.
You're supposed to shoot the whole thing. No. Look at his skill. Look at his.
I'm sorry, I missed the skill.
As we created in this kitchen. And yeah, every time you cook something and you need to obviously clean it up when you're done. Otherwise, So what are you making today?
We're making prawn curry.
Prawn
Traditional Bengali prawn curry.
Okay.
Curry.
So we got.
So we got some fresh prawn
Yeah.
and we're just trying to
Now we're just cutting it in the middle.
yeah.
And I'm trying to open it up.
And here I'm chopping some red onion, as you can see, and then I'm putting those into the bowl, adding some cumin seed, coriander seed, then I'm on to tomato, chopping that tomato and put all those in the bowl.
So Biplop, কি হচ্ছে? আমি জানি না। So Biplop is now cleaning up all the prawns. So he's
Basically, we
like,
take all the black stuff out.
yeah. So he's cleaning the head of the prawn because it's full of shit. He's,
So we have taken 2 onion, probably 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seed, and half teaspoon of black pepper, whole black pepper. And we're gonna take ginger garlic paste as well, or fresh ginger garlic if you have. We're just gonna make a paste. We don't have, just use the paste. So 1% of tablespoon of garlic paste. This prawn.
this prawn?
Prawn curry, yeah.
Prawn curry, whatever. Yeah, it's in the process, and you guys can see the prawns are ready. It's marinated with turmeric and salt, some chopped tomato, and
So in this clip, again I'm mentioning about the paste we made is from obviously, you know, I'm not mentioning it again, so spare me.
so we put the oil here, so it's heating up. So guys, as you guys can see, I'm not gonna put this bay leaves, cumin seed in there.
And we're gonna fry it for a few seconds. See, once it's like a little bit brownish, then we put
Yep. And I'm gonna put the
turmeric powder and some red chili powder. Put some red chili powder. Just gonna go like that.
will be fun.
And some and some turmeric powder.
My God. We're just washing the rice, and we're gonna cook the rice today for both of us. Trying to do it as fast as possible.
I feel like people knows how to make rice.
No, I'm not trying to show them how to make it. I'm just showing something. Obviously, I'm not showing them how to make a rice.
So you basically wash the rice.
You're supposed to shoot the whole thing. No,
I thought it's all about rice.
no, it's not about rice. It's about me, my YouTube channel.
Okay.
It's such a nightmare shooting with people.
You know, we were meant to fry the prawn. Instead of that, we were shooting for rice.
Oh yeah, we gotta shoot everything.
So basically, how many cups of water do you put in a?
No need to tell them how to. I'm just cooking rice.
No, I'm sure that
That's it, guys.
I'm sure at least 10% people doesn't know how to cook rice.
No, I don't need to tell them. This is just okay. Back in India, people, you guys know this is not how we cook rice.
That's a
This is not how we cook rice. We just this is my rice cooker. We just cook rice here in rice cooker because we're kind of a lazy people. I'm trying to do.
not lazy.
I'm trying to make our life easier. Actually.
Yeah, much faster. You know, you don't have to worry. Just put the rice in the rice cooker and it's going to be done in 15 minutes.
Exactly.
I don't have to.
Now I'm trying to find the core of my rice cooker.
Because there are so many rice cookers in this kitchen. It's hard. to-
Okay, yeah, that's on. I'm gonna. This is not how we cook rice. We just this is my. It's piping hot.
So we're gonna fry
Put
the prawn now.
Prawn in.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick one.
So Biplav is saying not to play now, but I'm gonna obviously play. See, he's kind of panicking actually. He's
See, so this is.
so
that's
what?
how-
Yeah.
how
So
much you have to cook the onion. You just to basically dry it out, and once the oil starts leaving, that's when you can tell like it's almost that onion is like.
I think he's been frying for a long time, isn't it,
Yeah.
Biplav?
So it's been like we fried it for 15 minutes. After then, we're gonna
Add the chopped tomato.
add one piece of chopped tomato,
Yeah.
and we're just gonna mix it up. We're just gonna cook the tomato as well.
Shall we increase the heat? Okay.
No, we're gonna cook it in medium flame, and we're gonna put the lid on so that tomato gets cooked faster.
So yeah, we're gonna do as the chef Biplav says over here.
So put the lid on, and tomato will get cooked faster.
Okay, Biplav.
What?
Is it cold, Biplav? Why are you wearing a beanie in the kitchen?
It's pretty cold.
Really? So why not wearing a jacket, Biplav?
The main reason I'm wearing jacket, you know, but with our Indian foodislife,
This guy never wear a jacket, and he knows he's been living in Tasmania for a long time. Whenever he goes out, he never wears a jacket.
do you want to see his skill? See his skill.
Look at the
Pretty
look at his skill. Look at it.
Oh, sorry, I missed the skill.
He dropped one prawn. No. So yeah, we are like flipping the prawn at the moment, and just trying to get the color here. Nothing else. And I have a good feeling about this. I'm gonna add some more prawn.
Yes, we got a lot of prawn there.
Look at this.
And we're gonna finish it off tonight. Oh, it's like 500 gram prawn. We're gonna both each 250. We're gonna eat 250 gram of each prawn. Okay. So you can see the tomato. It's
It's done, all done up.
so we're taking off the prawn which are done.
No need to shoot so closely. You need to see the person.
Okay,
I literally had to tell him so many times that.
okay, we're gonna add water in this now.
Okay, yeah, we need to.
Put some water because
We're trying to make the tomatoes soft.
that's true. That's what I meant actually. Sorry, I'm confused between onion
so-
and tomato are smashed. Then we're gonna add water.
More water.
Yeah, to make the gravy.
Oh, okay.
Depends on how much gravy we need.
So as you guys can see, I need to follow Master Biplav instruction here because this is my kitchen, but I need to still listen to him.
We're gonna shut that.
I'm gonna add some little bit of
Oil?
more oil. It's not about it's a bit dry here. There's no oil left. Okay.
Okay, you do the flip challenge.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
You guys are gonna do the
Okay,
flip.
okay. Let me do the flip.
He's doing the flip.
Yeah, let me do the
Okay, I'm just gonna bring it closer, right? Okay, see the flip. Oh, that was all right. Not as good as mine though.
No. Let me take over the camera.
Okay, you're gonna see this.
But, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Did you see that?
So the tomatoes
Well,
are
tomato is done. Now we can add water.
okay. Let's add some water.
Okay, this is the water cup.
No need to take
Oh, that's high pressure water. So we're gonna add probably, depending on how much gravy you need, you're just gonna add that much amount of water.
Okay, okay. So let's go, let's go.
Let's be
Guys, let me know how my flipping skills. Also, biplaps as well. I cannot take all the credit for myself.
Okay, one thing you have to do now, you gotta add some salt. Without salt, it doesn't taste good. Right? Is that right? Salt is the main ingredient.
But yeah, in our
Without salt, you just can't taste anything. It's bland.
yeah, it is for me as well.
Chef Ramsay said, bland.
Bland. Yeah, for me as well. I also feel the same thing. Like without salt, not good.
So what do you think of the gravy? Do you think that's enough gravy or we should add some more water?
Considering the prawn we have, I think we should have a little bit more water to it. Because I think it's not gonna be. I think it's good. Should be good. Yeah. Yep. Come on, a little bit of flipping skills, guys. I think the prawns are ready. What do you think, Bitla?
Yeah, I think they are.
Yeah, it's ready.
They shouldn't take too long. Yeah. Now he's gonna flip all the prawns together. You gotta watch his head also. His head also flips more when he flips too.
Oh, I don't want my prawn.
Oh,
to
I
go
missed
anywhere.
one prawn.
I don't want my prawn to go anywhere actually. Okay, so yeah, that's done. So as you guys can see, I have already cleaned this side of the part
See?
when we did our prep, but I need to clean up this side as well now.
So what are you doing now?
I'm just trying to clean up everything, the mess we created in this kitchen. And yeah, every time you cook something and you need to obviously clean it after you're done. Otherwise the other housemates are gonna get crazy.
See, that's the job of a sous chef, right? Head chef doesn't do the cleaning.
Oh. but I'm kind of a head chef that shows demonstration to the junior people how to do the dishes properly. That's what I'm showing him. See, this is how you put this much pressure, so you can get the oil out from the thing.
So how do you measure the pressure? Like how much pressure do you have to? How do you measure it? Like how do you?
There is no scale to measure this pressure.
So how did you say it's this much pressure then?
I don't know. You just need to feel it. You need to feel the
No,
pressure.
it's all about the feelings, right?
Yeah, it's all about the feelings. Yeah, exactly.
So that's how it looks after 5 minutes. Oh, that's good.
So you're not gonna eat that prawn, isn't it? Club?
No, I'm just gonna see it, watch it.
He's just gonna watch it. And
Yeah.
How is our rice doing?
I will ask Rice. I will give a call to the Rice and see how he's doing. Hi Rice, how are you doing?
Can you please give it a call?
I think the rice is almost done. Maybe another couple of minutes and it should be done.
Yeah, this is how we cook rice in Australia, in rice cooker.
See? It was done in 15 minutes.
Exactly, yeah, you don't need to worry about your rice that it's gonna get burned or something.
Yeah.
You just
You don't have to drain the water. You don't have to drain the excess water. So it's easy.
just put it on.
Yeah.
It's done. Even if you just leave it there, you can forget about it. Nothing gonna happen.
Yeah, you can come after 2 days and still eat the same rice. It should be fine.
That's a bit of exaggeration. 2 days. Nobody's gonna forget their rice for 2 days. So this is the moment of truth, guys. I don't know what we have done here. Let's see. I think it's time to shut this exhaust fan off. It tastes good, but I think it needs some more salt maybe. I need to show some.
Please hit like, share and subscribe. Stay safe and stay happy. See you in another vlog. Until then, bye bye.